Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to open a power steering rack. One of the reasons why we're doing this is of course to replace the seals. Not many people do that. A lot of people just change the whole thing. A rebuild kit is probably $30-40 compared to whole thing is way more expensive. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it. You do not need special tools. You probably have it laying around in your garage if you're a mechanic, of course. If not, there's other ways, of course, doing it. But anyway, this is off of Nissan Altima. A lot of cars have similar design. So first off, you're gonna start with tie rod ends. You're gonna unscrew this. Of course, it's not gonna be easy like this. You're gonna have to use 19 millimeter and 7/8, and then you're just gonna unscrew it. Alright, then this bolt over here, 7/8, you're gonna need, it's probably not gonna go by itself, but luckily you have this groove over here to catch it with your wrench, and then unscrew it as well. Then you have this clamp. Of course you have a boot, and this is where you're gonna get to the steering rack right here. Anyway, right here you're gonna need a bigger wrenches, or you can use one of these. I actually grinded, you can see over here, I actually grinded it so it fits inside here, and then I used another one to do it here, and of course it just unscrews regular. So we're gonna unscrew that. Of course you have to, this plate over here, you have to bend it out because that's a safety plate, lockout plate, whatever you want to call it. Alright, remember this plate, if you ever put it back, there is the grooves. That's how it's supposed to go. Since we're done with that, there's these lines, those are 12 millimeters. Take it off, and there's bolts right here and right here, 2 bolts. They're 2 millimeters, 12 millimeters as well. There we go. You can the important thing about this is don't try to hammer it really hard, because it has a it looks like it's stuck on there, like you're gonna have problems with it. What you do is you twist it first. You twist it first a little bit, and then you can take it off. Comes with the gasket. That's the cylinder. This is the cylinder. All right. All right. Right here, this is what is this called? I think this is called preload valve. You're gonna have one of these, of course, unscrewing this lock. This is lock for that's preload nut. And here's the thing, this is a Allen wrench. It's huge. So what you can do is you can get a piece of metal that you can, like a bar, and cut it to this size and put it in this corner and this corner, and then you twist it. That way you unscrew it, you take that one out, then you're gonna have a spring, preload spring right there. And now we move on this side. Right here, a lot of people don't know about it, but right here there's a piece of wire inside here, and on this inside here there's a stopper that stops this thing from popping out, right? What you can do, you have to keep twisting these. You have to keep turning clockwise or counterclockwise, and you will see the wire end over here. All right, so let's do that right now. I use a screwdriver and a hammer. Every once in a while, take a look at it. Once you see the wire, alright, right here guys, as you can see there's a wire, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna lift this wire a little bit, not too much, lift it up, right? And then you start turning this thing opposite way, and you will see this wire start coming out. Right here, it already started coming out, right? All right, so let's keep doing that. It's going out more and more, as you can see. Right here, the wire will pop out. Now you can keep turning this, or right there. I wanna, then you pull out the bar, the steering bar, and then you have a housing with this preload cylinder. A lot of these come metal, but here, this one is plastic. But anyway, inside here, inside there is I don't know if you can see, there is a bushing, I mean seal. The way you do it, you put the socket on here, and you can kick it out with this. You can kick it out. But anyway, let me show you some other stuff. Right here there's a Teflon, like a Teflon seal. I'm gonna cut it. Here it is. That's a Teflon seal. Underneath, it's an O-ring. There's an O-ring. Cut this one too. There it is. The rubber O-ring. There's an O-ring right here. And there's a seal right here as well. Alright, now this housing has a seal right here, as well as a bearings as well inside there. I don't know if you can see it. There's bearings in there. It's windy today, so sorry about that. Then this one, the cylinder, it has a seal as well. But in order to access this seal, there is a metal ring over here that you have to split. On this other side, you need a needle nose pliers to take it off. So once you remove this ring with needle nose pliers, then it's time to take off the bearing. How are you gonna do that? Well, let's try this. Alright, once you remove this locking ring, so in order to remove this bearing, it was actually like this. In order to get to this seal, you have to remove the bearing. So you can use a bearing puller, take it off, then you get this spacer, and then you get to the seal. This whole shaft is right there. This one right here, in order to access it, of course you have to unscrew this one. Process is same as before. So yeah, that's pretty much how you get everything off of the power steering rack. Now to put it back, you just go and put it back, right? You have all these Teflon O-rings. Remember, all Teflon O-rings have a rubber O-ring underneath, so yeah, be careful with that. Don't forget to change those as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. A preload, again, your preload, you have to check with your manual, Google it online so you can put your preload correctly. Installing it is just, you go back, like you disassemble it. This thing, once you put it inside here, I'll demonstrate right there, right now. Alright, in order to put this back, this end goes into the hole right there, and you just turn it like that, and it starts winding it in. Nothing hard, guys. Make sure you change as many seals, O-rings. I think even this wire comes with the kit. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you do it. One other thing is you can use a inner tie rod removal tool, right? This is that tool that I already had on my channel. So how it works, you place one of these right there, you place this thing inside, and you just put it in there. Once you put it in there, you can actually lock it. Once you lock it, turn it around. As you can see, it's spinning. So in order to do this side, all I had to do is hold this end, and of course do it right here with the 1/2 inch, and just break it that way. All right, that's it. That's pretty much it. It was easy, nothing special. Like I said, make sure you clean everything, clean everything, put all the replacement stuff back. Make sure you have your correct markings for alignment when you put back the tie rods. So you mark it with the marker or something, so you don't have to do realignment, or you can go ahead, if you have money, go back and realign it. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Make sure you guys like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.